y'all, it's your girl Ord here with another video. So this video is going to be a wig installation and review. I was in my local beauty supply store and I came across this beautiful wig. I had no intentions on even buying a wig. I was in there like for other stuff, like some got2b, like and other random little things that I was out of, but I had to browse the wigs, of course, and they definitely got me. But before we get into this video, please subscribe below, like and comments. Let me know what you think of my videos, what you guys would like to see next. And I appreciate all of your subscriptions. I appreciate all the likes and comments. I'm having such a blast with you guys, and I hope you're having a blast with me. So let's get into this video. Alright, so this is the wig that I got. It is from the brand Vanessa, and it is their party lace deep eye part fashion wig. It is a human hair blend. What I thought was so cool about this wig, well, first off, I liked it because it's blonde, but it's like a darker blonde. It's like more of a caramel kind of blonde color, which I feel is better for fall and winter instead of like a bright platinum. But the best thing that I like about this wig, and I don't even know if you guys can see this on camera, this part here on the top, yeah, you can't even see it. But this top on the part is not black. It's like really dark green. I don't know if you guys can see it. You probably can. I wish you guys could see how beautiful it is. It's like a really deep green. That's what really drew me to this wig, because I'm like, wow, I've never seen that before. And it's like lately I'm getting so much into color that this really intrigued me. So the color is called C3000. This wig was $35.99, as you can see, so that's pretty affordable. The wig construction, normal wig construction. It has combs in the front. We have a nice deep part, a good natural looking part, and it has combs inside. It has 2 combs in the front, and it has 1 comb in the back at the nape of the neck. So let's get to it. Let's put this wig on and see what it looks like. Alright. Oh, also, it has adjustable straps. Obviously, like if it didn't, that would be ridiculous. Alright, so let's get this wig on. Alright, so this wig is pretty easy to install because it has this beautiful parts already. It doesn't really need much customization besides probably putting some concealer in this part. Can you guys see the green? You probably can't see it. Like, that's the best part. I'm so sad that you guys can't see it, because that's really the best part. Like, I've never seen a wig that was, you know, green at the top, but this is just beautiful. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna take my concealer, my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I'm going to use that for my part to make it look more realistic. And you can see where the part is. You're going to just take I have a little flat detailer brush by Real Techniques. It's really small and flat. I'm going to take that brush, take a little bit of my concealer, and just run that along the part. just straight in. Just straight in along the part. This helps the part look more realistic, so it doesn't look so wiggy. You know, I hate that wiggy look where just blend that out with your finger. And what I like to do is like take this concealer down a bit to my head. That way it looks like it's actually blending. And that's it. Like, this is such an easy wig. Oh, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. I like it. And also, if you can see that it's blonde on the top, but it's brown on the bottom. See that? That's so pretty. I love it. Yeah. Isn't that pretty? I love this. And you know, I have been looking to make a bob this length. But this is a good starter because I'm gonna make one. Like, I wanna make one that is like gray and like the underside, like around the nape of the neck and around the front would be like navy blue. I'm gonna do that. I gotta order a wig. Alright, so that's it. Simple, easy, straight to the point. You know, it didn't need a lot of work. Let me zoom in a bit. Maybe you guys can see that. Oh, I think you can see that it's green now that I zoomed. See how I did the part? Now the part looks more natural, doesn't look so wiggy. And you can see that it's not black on top. Like, that's like a dark green. I find that to be so cool. Right? Isn't it pretty? Oh, I like this wig. I'm gonna wear this a lot. I like this wig, yes. So I'm glad I discovered this. I'm glad I just happened to walk in the beauty supply store because not only did I see this was the last one. They had to take this off the mannequin head and give it to me. So it's really, really nice and soft. I like that it's not too dense. It's just dense enough for a bob. I like this wig a lot. So if you like this wig, if you like this review, once again, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.